Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, well, what we often discuss here on this channel. We're doing an update with respect to immigration crackdowns here in Thailand. As I've gone through in the past, Big Joke was a decidedly different head of immigration than our current head of immigration, Sompong Chingduang, or I should say Lieutenant General Sompong Chingduang, also known as Big Odd. They're different insofar as Big Joke, well, and maybe the circumstances have changed. Big Joke seemed to engage in a lot of roundup type raids of massive numbers of foreigners. And I do think that the resulting after effects of that was it created a deterrence against people illegally coming to Thailand and remaining here illegally. It also, a lot of those folks left and they were blacklisted and aren't able to come back. So I think the demographics have changed, for lack of a better term. And then on top of that, I also think that the current immigration chief takes a different tactic toward immigration enforcement. It's definitely viewed as a law enforcement function, but they're more interested in catching specific criminal activity rather than these sort of broad type raid type situations, possibly because those broad raids are felt to no longer be necessary or to be somewhat superfluous because they're no longer fulfilling their use because there just aren't those numbers of people overstaying in Thailand. That being said, there's a couple of recent articles that I thought were of note. One is titled, and it's from the Tiger, that's spelled Thaiger, thetiger.com. The title of the article is Foreign Criminals Apprehended in Thailand in 2 Separate Arrests. Quoting directly, immigration police have made 2 more arrests, apprehending a Burmese man and Chinese man, both of whom are wanted in their home countries. Quoting further, they were found to be staying in Thailand illegally, with immigration police unable to find any record of him entering or leaving the country since 2017. That's one of the people apprehended. However, airport security footage showed him arriving at Suvarnabhumi Airport, and police believe he entered the country illegally. He was tracked down to a hotel in Bangkok where he was arrested. The second arrest took place in Chonburi province and involved a Chinese man who overstayed his visa. The man was, I'm not going to do the names, the man is wanted in China for committing fraud amounting to over 85 million baht. So on the one hand, there's this, and then in another article, this article is titled, German Busted for 5-Day Overstay in Pattaya. Again, this is from thetiger.com. Quoting directly, 5 Chonburi immigration officers have arrested a 45-year-old German man outside a hotel in Pattaya. Bert E., quote unquote, had overstayed his visa by 5 days and was handed over to Pattaya police. The immigration police are now making examples of even minor transgressions of the visa rules. I think the thing to take away from this is twofold. Overstay is viewed now as a serious matter, where once it was kind of, oh, it's overstay, whatever. It's not viewed that way anymore. It's viewed rather seriously. Also, immigration has, again, taken a law enforcement function on this stuff, and as in the case of the 2 other arrested people, where they were known to have committed offenses in other jurisdictions, or to have entered the country illegally, or they're inferring they entered the country illegally, then in all those instances, immigration is going to do something about that. And I think the thing to take away from this video is that moving forward, I don't think it's probably a correct terminology to view overstay as a minor transgression. I don't think Thai immigration takes that position anymore. Overstay is overstay. They don't like it, and they're going to do something about it. They're going to enforce the immigration rules. So be assiduous in maintaining your status here in the Kingdom of Thailand and avoid overstay at all costs. And obviously, stay away from illegal activity, as the same thing can get one deported from Thailand, probably blacklisted, and forestalling one from ever returning to the kingdom, at least for the foreseeable future. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.